Hello guys, today I'm gonna just go back real quick on what we took in lecture 21 and 22, and I forgot to mention one thing. We added the index. Let's say we can say move, and this is about addressable memory. Move, let's say, to AL. I can move list +2, yeah. It's gonna move whatever byte I have here in this memory to AL. Here declaring two arrays. I don't want to write the whole code. Go back to the previous two lectures. You know what I'm doing. Now what if I do, and if you can see the array there, what if I said move array 1 minus 4 minus 4. Oh, not minus 4, I want it minus 3. I don't want it to go to the 0. But let's see this. Array 1 minus 3. Where's array 1? Array 1 is here. This is going to be an address in memory. This is the memory, byte addressable memory. Minus 3, I'm going to do what? 1, 2, 3. 3 addresses lower. Why? It's going to be, let's say, if you remember last time, I think we had this as address 1000, address 1001, for example. This I'm saying, if this is a byte addressable memory, 102. So what list is, what array 1 is actually is 104, and I'm saying 104, that's the address, minus 3, it's 101. So it's gonna go and grab whatever is in this memory location, and we can move it to wherever we want. Let's say A8 also. I just wanted to mention that one, that at this point this is really important, guys. Remember, that's why I'm telling you the memory layout is really important. Don't try to understand assembly without understanding what's happening on the memory below. It's gonna be much harder. This will make your job easier. Please, guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below.